Right, I'm at Long Lane, Bellshill. Got one pallet to drop off here. But look at the state of this road, man. That is ridiculous. Right, I'm going to run in here. See what the crack is. That's what you want in logistics. Put on any beat you want, mate. Spin it, wherever I come out is where I'll go on. Right, 5 minutes, literally, that was it. No one here on the back door, half a dozen lads waiting about. Whip the one pallet off. There's your keys, off you go, mate. Job is a good one. So now off to Tesco Livingston. Pick up the M8, go that way. As soon as I've just crossed the moon landing. Right. Super slow. Just remember what you're carrying in the back. Despite what people think, these trucks aren't built for cross country like this crap. Wide berth around, I'll remember that next time. Wow. Now you go. Also part of Yearsley. One side's Yearsley. The other side is Long Lane. You'll recognise when I come out, I'll keep you running till I get to the main bit. My battery's a little bit low. Some of you may remember when I picked the milk up a few weeks ago. That's here on the left hand side. That's it right there. Absolute boatload of cars parked on the side of the road. lot of you will probably recognise where I am now as I come up off this roundabout here. Morrison's Bellshill. So we're all really close to each other. Jump on this for a short while, big loop around onto the M8, and I'll be 25 minutes. So far I am from Tesco. Roads are good. So I'll catch you then. Right, I phoned the yard to see where I was heading after Tesco's, and it's a nice Drysdale's collection. Really good day back after my 2 days off. £5:25 should be there. Traffic I've got, because I got out there at 4 o'clock, it's like literally I'm just ahead of everything. A little bit snotty joining 720 from the M8, but that's always like that anyway. Well, you know what I mean. It took us 5 minutes to get out of it. I'm not going to be in much the next couple of weeks. I've got some other things going on. I'm available for work only tomorrow and Thursday, and then I need to have Friday off, and then the following whole weekend. But also I need the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off. So it's going to be almost a week off, but I'm not off, I'm doing some other things that's going to be keeping me really busy. Just parked up. That's Drysdale's there. I've just parked up here for my break. And you're allowed to walk along here, it's a viewpoint. So I thought I'd share it with you. It's a bit odd. Somebody's put a toilet seat. How weird. So that used to be a little monastery. It's about James Hutton viewpoint. Something like that this is called. It really is amazing. So it's a holding pen for the cattle and sheep. Wow. Got a gun hour. Well, that's a bit windy, so you're going to get a little bit of noise. Yep, there's your view. So right at the far end over there, you can see Torness Power Station. I went right back in the memory bank for that name, even though I pass it every day, twice mostly. It's a great spot for lobsters. Let's have a mosey down there. Drop your pots around here. Oh yeah. Well, I got a call asking if I could do 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Scotch, of course. I said, yeah, no problem at all. A little bit of a like, because I was hoping to do something. If I didn't get anything, the longer the day was going. So I don't really need too much work this next couple of weeks, you know. Anyway, like, yeah, 9 o'clock, okay. Like, bugger. Never knock it back. I always make other plans, just in case, and I had a bit of a plan for tomorrow. And then anyway, about 5-10 minutes ago, I've just had a call saying, I'd have cancelled that run for you tomorrow, mate, 9 o'clock. Put you on something else if you like, with another company. No thanks. Alright. So tomorrow, oh yeah, catch up with me pal. I'm seeing ages. And we're going to go down on our favourite spot down on the beach. I drop a couple of pots in. Put me in the back. And looking well. So we'll open the bag or whatnot. Fish tomorrow. Available for work Thursday. Can't go Friday, got some horrible appointment going on Friday. Get that out of the way, and then I can go back down to the pots and check them on Friday afternoon. And then I might bring them in. So I'm going to bring you along and going to show you a little bit. One of my videos has hit nearly 1 million views. Can you believe that? My lobster pot one. 950,000 hits. Insane. Well, that's what I'll do. I'll get down there tomorrow and I'm going to do a little vlog on the fishing from start to finish. What you need, what you do, the laws of it, how to size, you name it. And I will post it onto YouTube world. I know it's not trucking, guys. Might interest some of you, might not. So I shall switch off for now and see if there's anything happening down the road. I will get this straight back on. Other than that, I'll catch you through the week. Thursday, hopefully. I'm going to work on Thursday.